Look at my recipe. It's about... Thank you, Mom! Thank you! Chopping, chopping, chopping. Yummy! Assalamualaikum, friends. This is Mashal. Look at my recipe. It's about, it's about some kind of food. Let's just get started and let me get out from that quilt because I'm going to help my mama. Mom?
Yes, baby.
What are you doing?
I am preparing food for dinner.
What's on there?
And I think I'm going to cook dal.
Mama, forget dal. Let's just do... Okay. Mama, let's do that recipe. I made this recipe right here.
Okay.
Now can I help you?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Chopping, chopping, chopping.
Okay.
First step, we need some meat, right?
Yes, right. We need some meat.
Mama, I'm a clever girl.
Yes, you're clever girl. No,
Step
there is meat.
number 1. We need meat. So I gotta put it here.
You put your recipe here.
No. Mama, it's wrong.
Yes.
Step number 1, complete. Step number 2, complete. Third step, cook the meat. And add oil and make sure it's so spicy, okay?
Okay, add onion inside. Add some salt. Add meat. Let it boil. Now we get this big giant brinjal.
Wow, and you were great at throwing the brinjal.
You also throw. Throw and catch. Yeah, boy. You also did.
I didn't do it very high though.
It's okay.
Can't do it with my hand.
We need to make thin slicing, okay? Just put it here. Oh, that's good.
Now, smooth slice.
Okay, now it's not easy.
Now start the brinjal, okay? You're making ratatouille, right?
It's not right.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la
No, add some spice.
República
Add some salt.
Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. La 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 casa del merengue. La 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 y la casa de la bachata. Música, 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 te traigo música, 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 música de la República. Ajá.
Yes.
While we're sleeping.
First thing I want to I see it in the internet. Now,
When I was going to school,
today. Don't like it.
it's really fun.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón a la República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata. Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón.
Where do we
A la
actually hunt?
República Dominicana, la casa del merengue y la casa de la bachata.
Where do they hunt?
La, 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 la. La casa del merengue. La, 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 la. Y la casa de la bachata.
On where? Huh?
Música, música,
Yummy.
música,
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's the best.
música,
Wow. You made it yourself, right? Now you enjoy.
Now I'm enjoying my food. You guys should also try that recipe. If you like my video, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.